Hey guys, my name is Mike here. I want to go over how to create your autoresponder system. So what I'm going to do is actually show this thing step by step on the computer, how exactly I load up the messages to the autoresponder so these emails go out one day at a time or every so many days for you. The reason for this video is this is like the nitty-gritty details about autoresponders and how to use them in your email marketing. Also how to create the web form, which I'll do in another video. But I just want to go through this thing step by step so you guys get how to work this. I have get response here, so I'm going to load this up right now. I'm going to log in. Now again, this is about creating autoresponders. You just simply, after you log in, go to Messages, Manage Autoresponders. Now what I'm going to do here is I already have a campaign. You want to create a campaign, create new. So I have one in Motor Club Choice, as you can see here. You pick the campaign you want to do, whether it be Yuma, whatever campaign that you did. I have quite a few, but Motor Club Choice is the campaign I'm actually working with right now. So what I'm going to be doing is, again, I went to Messages, Manage Autoresponders, Motor Club Choice is my campaign, Send Message, same time, timed up. Okay, so let's get this thing rolling. Okay, so let me see here. I'm going to go to the autoresponder I'm working with is MCA. So I have a website called MCA. I'm going to take the messages from MCA website and put them in here, basically copy and paste. So if you're in Motor Club America, that's MCA. This would be under MCA Training for your autoresponders. So let me log into my MCA Training.
Hey, are you ready to crush it in your MCA business? If so, I've got the ultimate system that can help you get those huge
There it is, autoresponder messages. See MCA Authority right on the site, click that. I'm on day 5, so I'm going to click on that. I'm just going to copy and paste. I can remember, friend, we need to talk. So I'm just going to copy this message, copy. Then I'm going to go to my get response. Log in. Then I'm going to go see where it says Messages, Manage Autoresponders, Create New. As you can see, the Motor Club, I've already been doing this, so I'm going to kind of re-edit this one. And instead of saying choose message, you're going to create new email. Click on that. Then the message name, this is a message the message name is just the name of the autoresponder. So let's call it email 5 for M Club Choice. No one's going to see this email but you. So this is just email 5. And then we're going to go back to MCA Authority. I'm going to click on, where is it at now? Training resources. find where those messages are. Autoresponder messages. Day 5. Hey friend. Day 5. Friend, we need to talk. So I'm going to go back to email. So what I did, okay, I put in the subject, friend, we need to talk. I'm going to change, you pick the person you want the name from. So I'm going to click on that. From Mike DeLuca, that's your name and your email. That's the from. That when they get the message, that's where it will go. Now save this. Then you want to go to next step. Now, because see all these templates and photos and all that, you kind of want to go start from scratch. So I'm going to click start from scratch. Then I'm going to put use template. I picked the first one because that's starting from scratch. Now you can pick a photo. Now normally I would choose a photo. I don't know why it's not doing it. I gotta do something here. Okay, I'm just gonna put the I'm gonna try to get my message right in here. I'm gonna copy and paste that. So I'm gonna put paste. Now there's the message that I copied from the MCA. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to fix this up a little bit. And I'm going to delete the word message. Now what you want to do is you want, where you see, put your name. And then what I'm going to do, okay, that's done. I'm going to add a text block. See this right here? Let me see, so this is the way I could do this, but I'm trying to feel what the hell. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you see this is not really get serious because my phone will not stop ringing. You ready? Money Mike. And then you can put your now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, get the information here. I'm going to go like this. Now see this thing right here? It looks like a chain. It's a link. Click on that to make your link become live. You want to put your URL or whatever website you want to promote right here. Click OK. Now watch this. That link just became live. So let me repeat that. I just simply turned this into a blue. Then leave it like that. Don't change anything. Go to the link and then type in the URL on the top and simply click OK. Then this will turn like this, and when you click on it, it will go to the website that you want. Now I'm not going to do that right here because I want to get this training down pat so you guys get this. Now what I'm going to do, see this text block? I'm going to move this down here. And what I'm going to do is put my snippet in here. I'm going to delete all this. Delete. And I'm going to try to add, see my snippets? Okay, I don't know why that didn't do that. Okay, let me see if I can click on my snippets. There we go. Now I pulled the text block down, remember? So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it right there. There it is, Money Mike Sell. Now what I did, this little button here in the middle, you bring the text block down in the center. You want to type your snippet, like whatever your name is, you sell, your Skype, your Facebook, whatever you put in here. As soon as you save it here, it'll end up over here. I'll give an example. As soon as I click this, see how it appeared right here? It appears here. So you click on snippets, pick and choose the snippet you want, and then move it over, drag it across, and boom, done. Then, as soon as that is all set, you want to choose an image. So we'll go ahead and, for this training, I'll just pick any image for right now. Kind of look for an image that's similar to what your business is about. Let's see. I'll just try to get something in here. I'll just use this one for now. And I'll just shorten it. Now, you can also shorten this or lengthen it. And when you're done with that, click on Next Step. And save and publish. Next step, save and publish. I don't know what happened, but we'll see. Okay. Let's see. Cancel. Okay, I just want to give you guys that basic autoresponder to create it in the account. And then what you want to do is go back to your messages, manage autoresponders. And see, I'm on the wrong campaign, so we want to go to the correct campaign, Motor Club Choice. Okay, let's see. There we go. There's email number 5. Scroll down. Now if you have to edit this, see where it says edit message? Just click on that. And then you can next step. So if you want to edit the message, see how I did next step? And there's your message. So kind of like scroll down and see there's the message. There's the text block I put in here. I added the snippet. I clicked on my snippets. There's your snippets right there. You click on the one you want. Click Save Snippet. If you gotta type and create one, once you create it here, click Save Snippet in the block in the middle, and it will go over here in your Get Response Autoresponder. So whenever you need to put thank you and then your contact details right there. Now see, I messed up here, so what I'm going to do, you'll notice I have the wrong website. So I have to click that. Yeah, I have another one in here. Anyway, what if I can edit this? Okay, good. So I'm going to change that to a semicolon. Excuse me, and then I'm going to click on Save Snippet. So let's do that right now. Get on the outside, Save Snippet. So now this will be the correct one because I just fixed that mistake. So again, try to preview your email, next step, and then save and publish. And that's it. And I did these exactly like that. If you need to pause this video, go back and forth, please do so. This is how I created my autoresponder with the MCA training, so you can do this and set up your email. Remember, email campaign first, then under that same email list, you want to create your autoresponders in the perfect order. If it says day 1, usually start with day 0, day 1, day 2, copy and paste, and you're done. So basically in the MCA training, these emails are already set up, so you just put them in there for you, and then in the next video I'll try to go over the web form, how to create that, so you have a capture page that links them up to these emails automatically. So that's enough for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. And my contact information should be on here to help you out. So contact me if you need any more help than this right here. So and I'll talk to you later, my friend. Thanks.